I'm starting by the name of Palmatella, who is the most merciful and powerful, who's the king of king, who's the king of doomsday, who's the king of judgment day. Dear friend, today is my topic in connection with panned out the number of steel and the slab, actually the quantity of steel and the slab. So for that purpose, I have made a diagram. That's okay. From that diagram, I will start. I will start. Pending out the number of bars. That's okay. So first of all, I would like to give to learn that suppose that slab and long span we have at 15 feet, and like that we have at 10 feet. That's okay. So first of all, dear, we will have to know that in this slab, the steel which we provide on short span, it is called man bar. That's okay. The steel that we provide on a long span, it is called distributed bar. That's okay. So first of all, I'm going to pen out the man bar. That's okay. So for that, a formula with us that is a suppose man bar. That's okay. So for that, so I will take 15. You know why? Because the man bar we provide on that section. That's okay. Look at that. That's okay. So as soon as formula for that we have the man bar divided by center to center plus 1. That's okay. So now let me see what is man bar with us here. It is 15. That's okay. So let me try that, check down that 15. That's okay. And divided by center to center. Center to center with us, it is 15. A center to center mean here that the place from here to here or the place from here to there. That's okay. That is called center to center. So let me write a tick down. It's to center it is with us 6 inch. If we convert that to foot, so it will make 0.5. That's okay. We will have to divide 6 over 12. And in a pit we have 12 inches. So for that purpose, I converted that to foot. So I tick down at here. That's okay. So and plus 1. So when we calculate that, let me to calculate that. I have my mobile phone with me. Actually, I should have calculated it before, but let me to calculate it right now. 15 divided by 0.5 and plus 1. So it makes equal to 31. So it's mean the number of bars 31 bars we will provide on that spin. That's okay. Now let me to go to pen out distributed bar. That's okay. So distributed bar here. I will it's me distributed. I cannot write more because due to shortage of time, I will write it half the way. That's okay. So it is also center to center with a spawn pipe. So let me to write like that. That's okay. 5 plus 1. That's okay. So what is distributed bar with us? It is 10. That's okay. 10 divided by 0.5 and plus 1. That's okay. Let me to calculate that. Thus divided by 0.5 and plus 1. So when we calculate that, it makes 21. That's okay. Stop like that. That's okay. Like stop. And that's okay. Now we are pending, at the whole length. That's okay. The whole length of the man bar. That's okay. The complete length which is required for us for the man bar. That's okay. So what was the number of steel of man bar? It was 31. That's okay. So now we have to multiply that with that's okay. It's mean man bar. That's okay. Multiply with 10. That's okay. So when we multiply that 31, let me to multiply that 31 multiply by 10. So it will make 310. That's okay. And feet, 10 feet. It's mean circumstance like that. That's okay. And second thing, let me to take our distributor bar. How many did it come? I didn't write 21. That's okay. So it is distributed 21 and multiply by it's 15. That's okay. When we multiply that 21 multiply by 15, so it will make 315. That's okay. Good. Guys, now we are going to plus these both. That's okay. I'm going to add these both. Let me to 600 and 625. That's okay. It makes 625. Now it is a complete length of the bars with me. That's okay. We cannot take the whole, like that because when we purchase the steel from the shop, so during that time, they will break it. That's okay, and something they will bend top. That's okay. So we will take like that. So let me. I would like to convert them into kg. That's okay. So for that we have formula die square. That's okay. Divided by 52.9. It is approved formula. That's okay. So die mean here it is the die of the concrete which is pore sutar. That's okay. It's mean grade 4 concrete, grade 4 still with us. So let me to that's okay. I take die on that, so it will 16 and divided by 52.9. That's okay. Now let me to that's okay. 16 divided by 52.9. So it makes, you know, it makes 0.3024. No, I'm going to multiply this with the complete length. That's okay. So 0.3024 multiplied by 625. That's okay. Let me to multiply that with it. That's okay. 0.024 multiplied by what's wrong with that? What's wrong with my mobile phone? Port. That's okay. Multiply 625. It is, you know, it is 18.748 kg is required for that slab. If we want to convert that into tons, for that we have to divide that we will have divided that on 1000, you know, and 1000 we have 1000 kg. That's okay. So it was enough for today, and I would like to make video on daily basis. That's okay. Thank you very much.